So you've heard of commission-free stock trading apps that let you trade stocks with zero fees. But what do you do when you actually don't have a lot of money to get started with and you can't afford the stock prices of these major companies? Today I'm going over how anyone can easily afford to trade slices of these major stocks using the Public Investing app. Hey, welcome back guys. This is Eric of everydayinvesting.com, where I'm all about helping you guys get started saving and investing. Today's video is brought to you in part by Public, and I'm super excited to have been able to partner with them guys because they've really solved a major problem for newer stock traders and newer investors, and that is making stock trading and investing much more affordable than it was before. Now don't get me wrong guys, there are popular commission-free stock trading apps out there that already let you trade stocks without any fees, but Public takes it a level further by not only giving you commission-free stock trading, but also letting you trade or invest in slices of these major stocks. So we're going to walk you through that today right now, guys. Also, if you are new to the Public app, I highly encourage you to first check out my more full in-depth review on the Public app. I'll be sure to link that video up above as well as down below in the video description box. That video goes a lot more depth on what is Public, how does it work, and really helps you decide, is it the right investing app for you? But if you've already seen it and are ready to move forward, we're going to hop into today's tutorial right now. Alright guys, so here we are now inside the Public app, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to actually trade slices of stock on Public. So what you're going to want to do is hop on over to the second icon, the search icon on Public, click on that, and you're going to want to scroll down to where it says slices. Now slices again are stocks you can afford to buy on Public with any amount of money, and I'll show you that right now. So click on slices, and again guys, you will see a list of hundreds of stocks that you can buy and invest in slices of here on Public. And the great thing is Public is always adding more stocks to the slices list as time goes on. So let's just say, for example, guys, you want to invest in a share of Facebook, but you currently can't afford the price of one share, which is $194. So what do? Well, with Public, you simply click on Trade, click on Buy, and here you could choose how much you want to invest in this share of Facebook. So it gives you a lot more control. You can actually adjust this meter all the way down to as low as $1. So how crazy is that? You can literally invest $1 into Facebook. Or you can also adjust this to an amount that's much more comfortable for you. Whatever you can afford. You can adjust that to $5, $10, $15, $25, $50, $75, $100, and so on and so forth. Whatever amount you're comfortable with, whatever amount you can afford, Public does give you that accessibility. So let's just say, for example, guys, that you want to invest $10 into Facebook. Simply adjust that to $10, click on Continue, and then from here Public will ask you to confirm, I want to invest $10 into Facebook, and by doing this at the current price, you'll own 0.0515 shares of Facebook. That means you'll basically own 5% of a share of Facebook for $10. You'll simply click on Confirm right there, and that will process the order and buy that stock for you immediately. Once you click on Confirm, the stock Facebook, the slice of Facebook, will then be on your account page. If you scroll down, Facebook will show up right there. So it's that simple, that easy to buy a slice of stock on Public. Now let me show you another extreme example. Let's back out of here, because on Public you can also search for companies as well. Let's say you want to buy and invest in Amazon. Now check this out guys. A share of Amazon at the time of filming this video is currently over $1,800. So it's very expensive, especially if you want to trade Amazon, invest in Amazon, but you can't afford $1,800. Again, what do? You have this problem on many other commission-free trading apps, but with Public, that problem is gone. Again, simply click on Trade, click on Buy, and choose how much you want to invest in Amazon. So let's say that you want to invest in $50 worth of Amazon. That's what you can afford. That's what you're comfortable with. Click on Continue. It'll then ask you again to confirm, and you'll be buying a slice of Amazon. Again, currently 0.0278 shares of Amazon. That'll be added to your Public portfolio. So again, guys, as you can see here on Public, if you back out of here to the Slices tab, there are literally hundreds of these major companies, these major stocks you can invest in slices of them. And the great thing is Public is always adding more stocks to this list, so it's going to be an expansive, growing list that keeps on growing over time. And if you want to add some money to get started on Public, you simply go over to your account page, and once you're on your account page, you just want to go to the gear icon and click on Deposit Funds. So let's say you want to add $25 to invest in various slices of stocks on Public. simply click on 25 and again, click on review, and your funds will be available to invest immediately. Once you click that confirm button, $25 will be transferred from your external bank to your public app, and you'll have immediate access to buying slices of stocks on public. That's one of the great features I really like with public, guys, is that they don't make you wait days for the bank transaction to clear. You actually do have instant access to trading and investing with those funds once you deposit into public. So what advantage does this give you as a stock trader? Well, this gives you a great advantage, especially if you're just getting started, because it allows you to invest in a slice, in a fraction of a stock that you may not otherwise have access to or be able to afford. Just for example, like that Amazon example, it's really hard to afford a share of Amazon, but with public, you could own a slice of Amazon just the same. Again, another great example is Google. If you type in Google, currently one share of Google is almost $1,300, guys. So these are major companies that you really could be passionate about, that you really want to invest in, but you simply can't afford to invest in them on other platforms. On public, it's easy to do. Simply trade and buy a slice of Google just the same. So this really does give you an advantage, guys, on public compared to other commission-free stock trading apps. Now, a question you might be wondering is, if I invest in slices of stocks on public, will I still get paid dividends from dividend-paying stocks? The answer is yes. Let's look at a popular dividend-paying stock, for example, Apple. A lot of people like to own Apple in their portfolio because it does pay a nice consistent dividend. So with public, if you were to buy a slice of Apple and you're wondering, will I still earn a dividend if I don't own a full share? The answer is yes. The way it works with public is you'll earn a proportionate dividend proportionate to the amount of the share that you own. So let's say, for example, that you currently and you invested in and you owned a quarter of Apple. Let's say you own 25% of one share of Apple. The dividend you would earn would be 25% of that dividend. So I hope that makes sense, just to give you an idea. But to answer your question, yes, you will still earn dividends on public, even if you only own a slice of that dividend-paying stock. Now again, guys, if you're interested in investing in slices of stocks on public, but you're not really sure what stocks you want to invest in, I encourage you to check out their Explore page on the second icon of the app, where you can view various themes. They have over 50 themes of different types of stocks, collections of stocks and related themes to really help give you an idea of different stocks you might want to consider investing in. Now, one question you might be wondering is, can you also invest in full shares of stock on public just like you can slices? The answer is yes. You do have access to buying full shares of stock on public just the same. Let's say you want to invest in Starbucks, and because you can afford $81, you want to invest in a full share of Starbucks. You'll simply click on trade, click on buy, and instead of adjusting this meter, you'll go down to where it says buy full shares. And this is where you can go to buy full shares, whether it be 1 or 2 or however many you want to buy, full shares of your desired stock. You'll also notice you do have access to a couple of different advanced order types, including a limit order and a stop order, which I'll go over more in depth in a future follow-up public tutorial video. But essentially, those advanced order types help you automate your trades, which means it helps you buy and sell your stock for you while you're away from your phone on your behalf. Again, you don't have that option when buying slices, but when buying full shares, it does unlock some advanced order types. So as you can see, the ability to invest in or trade slices of stocks of major companies on public is one of the reasons I really feel it's definitely worth considering for stock traders and investors out there who simply are looking for a little more affordability, especially if you don't have a lot of money up front to get started with. I do encourage you to check out my more full in-depth review of the public app. That video goes a lot more in depth over the other different features on public available to you as an investor or a stock trader, and really helps you decide, is it the right stock trading app for you? I definitely encourage you to check that out. I'll be sure to again link that video down below in the description box as well. Now, if you are new to the public app and would like to try it out for yourself and start trading slices of stock yourself, do feel free to join through my special referral link down below in the description box. I do have a special referral link with a special sign-up bonus for viewers of the Everyday Investing community. And of course, if you would like to see how the public app compares to some of my other favorite investing apps, feel free to check out my playlist of investing app reviews right over there to the right. And if you'd like to learn more about how to use the public app, feel free to check out some of my other public app tutorial videos right down there to the right as well. As always, guys, I appreciate you being a part of the Everyday Investing community, and I will catch you all in the next one.